hands don't want to work. My bad. I don't know why my hands do this. This point of view stuff. I probably got to get a camera for my head. Because this is like chest view. Alright, we're going to leave that like that. You see, give it that grill effect. I like that. And now it's done. I like when it look like this. Like, got that grill look. Okay. Got the soft tortilla. Y'all, don't that look like a heart? Y'all, don't that look like a heart? Oh. Alright, anyways. We got the soft tortilla. And now I am going to get a piece of chicken. Just want one piece of chicken. This point of view camera stuff is so hard. And then I'm just gonna get like a few pieces of lettuce. Maybe a few more. I like lettuce a lot. But it's up to you. I only put like one piece of chicken for like each wrap. And then I'm gonna put some like cheese, just a little bit. Just a little. I said just a little bit. That look like a lot, right? It probably, I don't know. And I'm gonna put some of this on there. That's it. That's it. And then what you do is take this and fold it this way. And then you fold it this way. And then you fold it this way. Yeah, I kind of made a mess, but yeah. And then you eat. And then it's finished. Okay. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'm about to work out. So see y'all in a few. Bye.